Red, a Crayon story, written by Michael Hall. What? Uh-oh. As told by me. He was red, but he wasn't very good at it. Oh, dear. His teacher thought he needed more practice. I'll draw a red strawberry, then you draw a red strawberry. You can do this, really. But he couldn't, really. Like this? Oh my, let's try again. His mother thought he needed to mix with other colors. Why don't you two go out and draw a nice round orange? A really big one. A really orange one. But they made a big greenish one. Yuck! Oops. His grandparents thought he wasn't warm enough. Your class is making self-portraits for Parents' Night. Wear this warm red sweater. Nice, it's so you. But it wasn't. By Goldie, teal, purple, orange, green, red? Oh, dear me. Everyone seemed to have something to say. Sometimes I wonder if he's really red at all. Don't be silly. It says it right there on his label. He came that way from the factory. Frankly, I don't think he's very bright. Well, I think he's just lazy. Right. He's got to press harder. Really apply himself. Give him time. He'll catch on. Of course he will. But he didn't catch on. Green frog, brown cow, black sheep, red... The art supplies wanted to help. The masking tape thought he was broken inside. This should help hold you together. The scissors thought his label was too tight. One snip should do it. I thought he wasn't sharp enough. Stay still now. But even with all our help and all his hard work, he just couldn't get the hang of it. One day, he met a new friend. Will you make a blue ocean for my boat? I can't. I'm red. Well, will you try? So he did. Thank you. It's perfect. You're welcome. It was easy. And he didn't stop there. He drew bluebells, blue jeans, a bluebird, a blue whale, blueberries. I'm blue! He was blue, and everyone was talking. My son is brilliant. Who could have known he was blue? I always said he was blue. It was obvious. His blue ocean really lifted me. All of his work makes me feel happy. His blue strawberries are my favorite. He's so intense. I'm gonna make a green lizard with him, a really big one. I hear he's working on a huge new project. He's really reaching for the sky. And he really was. Isn't it a beautiful day? It's perfect. The end.